It's Christmas early. Uh-oh. It's time to accessorize your Mini 2. It doesn't say Mini 2. Well, yes, you've guessed it. Most of the accessories for the Mavic Mini work on the Mini 2, and this is one. This is definitely a sweet alternative for you. So bang, this is pretty much what you get in the case. Nice and small, and they're pretty light too. It does come with instructions, as you can see right here. It tells you step by step everything that you should be doing. Bang, pulls down, there you got your landing gear. This one on the back leg is pretty cool and simple and easy too. I just snap it on at the back part here and then slide it over, and it just kind of fits in place here, just kind of snugly fits over the arm. And the cool part is that the arm can fold and unfold. Just slide it on in the back, and I just slide it up. Bam, there you go. All right, and you could fold up the back legs, which is pretty cool, and the front legs too as well. And your Mini 2 is pretty much almost as portable. Good, we've got the legs on. Let's look at the lens hood. I've heard a lot of people in Facebook groups, drone Facebook groups, with the Mini 1 say that this is a lifesaver. It protects the camera upon impact. It's not just, you know, the whole protection from the sun kind of a thing. Very simple packaging. There it is, still a piece here. I bet it does come with instructions. Yep, count on me to tear it. Oh well. And of course, little PGY Tech stickers. Just hook the front, kind of like putting on the gimbal guard. Press the bottom. That pretty much does it. Yeah, I could definitely see this protecting the camera upon impact. Bam, 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 you know. Rather than breaking your camera, you know, you just break this little plastic piece over here and protects the camera somewhat. Plus it protects the sun glare, so it's like a 2-in-1. It doesn't even look like a Mavic Mini anymore. It looks like some kind of modded, the Mini modded Mini 2. Kind of cool. All right, what else do we got here? My favorite filters, and not just filters for your drone. These are professional ND filters. Again, it says Mavic Mini. It does not say Mini 2, but yes, the filters work as well, just in case you didn't know. I love ND filters. I use their filters always on my ear too. And of course, nice cleaning rag, beautiful touch. You want to clean your filters before you put them on. You don't have to buy that separately. That's pretty cool. Of course, beautiful touch with the stickers, as always. And yeah. And of course, packaging. Here we go. Oh, this is magnetic, so the filters, oh, okay, not bad. So the cover goes on. The cover goes on like this, right? There's like little instructions here. I don't like the instructions, so I already know how to use this, but yeah, you just press the tab here and it creates like an opening over there. You peel it apart and the filters are in there. You take out your filters, you cover it back. It's all magnetic, so it holds in place. You could take this off and put it at the back. The magnet holds it in the back as well, so you don't have to worry about losing the cover in case you want to be hot swapping filters on a really weird day with a lot of changes. In case you don't know how filters work, click this link up here. Go check it out. I made a detailed video explaining from A to Z. But in short, you need it in bright sunny days, and you also need it in days like this too, because cloudy days can really give you a funny type of glare. Take a look. It's a very gloomy day outside. See the sky? Not much color, no blue, no nothing, kind of dull and boring. The filters, of course, look very nice. Very, very well built. I'm gonna go with the lowest filter today, the ND8. You just hook it on the back, same way you do the Mini 1 filters. Hook it on these little vents at the back and slide it over to the front. Bang, and it just kind of clips in place. That's it. Woo! course, we've got these propeller holders, but these are not just propeller holders. You just close your drone up normally like you would. And you slip it on, typical, similar to the whole DJI setup, same basic concept involved. You kind of want to get the propellers in these little slots, and then it wraps around, comes around, and just hooks on right here. That's it. There you go. It's got a little string here with an adjuster. You just slide this up and down to adjust. What this allows you to do is take the string, put it around your neck, tighten it up to the height that you want, and just kind of have your Mini with you everywhere like this on a string, just hanging right there, you know, like your little bling bling. All in all, I say the drone feels pretty sturdy, pretty stable, and as you can see, it's kind of nifty for landing, especially the hood. I think I'll be flying with that mostly simply because it just looks cool. Hope you liked the video. Links in the description for all of these accessories if you're interested, and make sure you smash that like button till it turns blue. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on bell notifications so you get notified when I release new Mini 2 videos. With that being said, I will catch you guys whenever I can. I'm still giving away 6 DJI Mavic 2 Pros or Zooms. Head over to my Patreon account, donate $1, become a patron, and automatically you're entered to win a chance to win one of 6 of those drones. Guys, let's make this happen. Come on, support me and help me support you.